What's up guys, Jake here. So today we're vertical tilling, and then we're going to be also planting rye too. So, and the rye is going in for a cover crop. So right now we're on the old rye land. Alrighty guys, so I'm on the wheat ground now. So this stuff is tilling a lot better. So, got the truck up there with some rye seed on the back, and I'm gonna be planting the rye this afternoon and all these. There's a first time for everything. Never had this happen to me. I had the mirror part fall off of the tractor. That is the first time I've ever had that happen. We're done with this one of the wheat fields here. We have another one to do yet, and then we're gonna be done. Planting the rye and oats and wheat or whatever's in here. I think it's rye. I saw just rye and oats on the bag, and then a bunch of other stuff, so I don't really know what's in the mix of this cover crop. But we have about 70 some acres to do, and we're only at 21 acres, .22, and it's 13 acres per hour, and it's 9:37 right now, so it's gonna be a long night, I feel. So anyways, well, gotta get done, gotta get in, because tomorrow's gonna be raining, and we do not want to wait another week yet to get back into this field. So plus we already tilled it, and we're afraid if it rains it hardens the ground up. we're done with the planting. I'm on my way back home, so but it was around 70 acres, and I think it was like 72 acres that we did. It took forever because it was a 15-foot drill, and we were only averaging 13 acres per hour. So we got the 2 tractors, the combine, the drain head, and the vertical till put back in the shed. I'm gonna be getting the combine and the 2 tractors out next week to clean them and wax them. So the combine, we aren't gonna wax the combine, but we are gonna wax the tractors. They're gonna need that. So the paint is starting to fade, so, and we don't really want that. Alrighty, so I have about 8% battery left here on my GoPro, so I'm gonna make this really quick. First of all, the live streaming I've been doing here the last couple of days, those are mainly just tests. I just wanted to see how it turned out. I want to see if my data could handle it, which it can't, and it'll get fixed here soon. So I'm gonna take and eventually have another live stream coming out here in the next couple of weeks, and I'll just take a quick video of, or I'll just make a quick video a day in advance and let you guys know that, you know what, I'm doing a live stream. Why don't you guys come watch? I'll answer any questions you guys have. So they'll be here in the next couple of weeks. We'll have to see when. So anyways, that takes care of the live streaming. So just again, they were just tests. I was just seeing how it works. So as well as these soybeans are looking really good. I'm just sitting here looking at these things, and these first 3 rows, it's just, you know, top of the field. But as you get down to the 4th row and all the way down, they're just really nice. A little under chest height on me, and I'm about 6'5", 6'6", so I'm pretty tall. But those soybeans are tall, and they're really they're stacked with pods, it looks like. So looking forward to seeing how these things yield. So alrighty guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. So I hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jake Lins. Talk to you guys later.